What? If you don't know how to do mulch, then get off my job site! Oh. We're heading home, boys. Day is over. What's going on, guys? It is the Grass Bro here, and I wanted to make a YouTube video showing you how you can make more money with a grass cutting business. So first things first is get your grass customers. Number one. Number two, upsell them. That's how I'm staying busy after I'm done cutting my lawns for the season or for the week. And an easy way to do this is by running Facebook ads. Oh, here's the man of the hour. We're at the landscape supply yard. He's been doing a little bit of crack. I mean, that's what you get nowadays with unemployment, paying people $2 grand a week. Just picking up some hardwood, easy job. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're at the job site. I got my buddy with me. We're gonna take care of business. 2.5 yards of mulch. Should be easy. A little bit of bush trimming. And then we're out of here. 380. Let's get it. Back again. Come on, we're getting to Jackson right now. Holy moly. All right, guys, 2.5 yards of mulch. We prepared the beds, we trimmed the bushes, we removed the weeds, I added the preen. We're ready to go. Stay tuned if you want to learn how to make extra money from your lawn care customers. Guys, Grass Bro here. We just finished the mulch job, trimmed the bushes, laid down some mulch, and I gave them an edge because I believe in pleasing the customer, providing legendary experience and surpassing expectations. You have to do that, because if you do, you're gonna get more work. See, I got my guy right here. Oop. A little messy in the back of the bed. We'll fix that. You know, you can find somebody like that and pay them $5 an hour. I mean, you guys just have to find them. All right, I'm gonna show you the mulch that we did, and I hope you're surprised that we could utilize our brains and create something magnificent. All right, check out the edge. And that's how you make more money from your lawn care customers. Upsell, 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 upsell. Texas Roadhouse for lunch because the boss said so. The boss said so.
Hi.
All right, what'd you get to eat?
A steak.
What kind of steak did you get?
A sirloin.
What kind of sirloin? How'd you get it cooked?
Medium.
Do you think the customer liked it?
This might be the weirdest thing I've made.
Alright guys, we're at Texas Roadhouse right now. We're grabbing a bite to eat. I feel extremely awkward because there's people around me and I'm talking to a video camera. But I just want to let you guys know that it went amazing. We got paid. The homeowner was ecstatic. We did our job. He would definitely refer us to more people, which brings in more money, so we can go to Texas Roadhouse more and spend our money. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'll show you guys what I actually ate at the end. Stay tuned. All right, boys. All right, boys. Dig in. Oh, 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 oh. We're heading home, boys. Day is over. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, we're good. We're out of here. All right, guys. So you came to this video to find out how to make more money from your grass cutting customers. So we picked up that job from a grass cutting customer. How we did it was we sent an email out, a bulk email, to all of the customers in our database. And we explained, hey, we're doing a special right now, save 10% off. Any mulch job, bush trimming, weed removal, and anything like that. Obviously, I went into more detail and tried to sell them and, you know, be creative, think about it a little bit. Sent that out and received, I mean, an overwhelming amount of calls and feedback asking me to come and give estimates to their properties. Now, once somebody asked for the landscaping, an estimate, they're red hot, they're on fire, they want an estimate right now, and they're easily closable, okay? So as soon as somebody asks for it, go out there that day or as soon as possible and send them the estimate before they get one from somebody else or before they stop caring about landscaping and it's not on their mind anymore. So send out an email to all of your grass cutting customers and then close the deal as fast as possible. Get them an estimate and price it the right way so you can make actual money. Price it right. Don't do this for little pieces of sand. You want to make gold out here, all right? And have fun while you're doing it because, guys, we're not taking it that serious. We're laying down mulch. Anybody can do it. And that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video of us being jackasses and laying down some mulch. Yeah, and we're having fun, but we take our landscaping job